If GIMP is crashing with a fatal error and you're seeing an unhandled exception, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get GIMP working again on Windows. This problem can happen at startup while GIMP is looking for data files, or it can happen during normal editing when you try to copy, cut, or use certain tools. The good news is that in many cases, the issue can be fixed without losing your work. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, if GIMP is crashing during a specific action, like copying or cutting a selection, the fastest fix is to close the Patterns tab. This is a known issue in some setups, and it can trigger a crash when you use shortcuts like Trill+C or Trill+X. On the right side of GIMP, look for the dockable panels where you see brushes, patterns, and gradients. Click the Patterns tab, then look for the small triangle or tab menu on the far right of that panel. Open that menu and choose Close tab. After closing it, try your action again and see if the crash is gone. In a lot of cases, that simple change is enough to stop the fatal error. Another quick thing to check is the Foreground Select tool. If you're using that tool and you try to process an empty selection, GIMP can throw an unhandled exception and shut down. So if you're selecting a foreground object, make sure you actually paint at least a small portion of the subject before clicking to continue. Even a tiny bit of input can prevent the crash. If the selection is totally empty, GIMP may not know how to handle it, so always make sure there's at least some marked area before proceeding. Now, if GIMP is crashing on startup, the next best fix is to clear the cache and reset preferences. Corrupted preferences, damaged layout data, or old cache settings can stop GIMP from launching properly. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %appdata% and press enter. In that folder, find the GIMP folder. Inside it, you'll usually see a version folder such as 2.n or 3.0. Instead of deleting it right away, rename it to something like 2.10_old or 3.0_old. This is a safe way to back it up before resetting anything. Once you've renamed it, restart GIMP. When GIMP opens again, it will automatically create a fresh preferences folder with clean settings. This often fixes startup crashes caused by corruption in the old configuration. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is update your graphics drivers. GIMP relies on your GPU for certain functions, including hardware acceleration through Geggle, and outdated drivers can cause memory access problems or instability. Go directly to the official support website for your graphics card, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest stable driver version. After updating, restart your PC and then try launching GIMP again. If GIMP opens at least sometimes, you can also go into Edit, then Preferences, then System Resources, and try adjusting memory usage or turning OpenCL hardware acceleration off to test whether the graphics system is the source of the issue. If none of those fixes work, you may be dealing with a bad installation or an unstable build. In that case, reinstalling a stable version of GIMP is a smart move. First, uninstall GIMP from Windows. Then manually check that the GIMP program folder in C:\program files is fully removed. If anything is left behind, delete the leftover files carefully. After that, download a fresh installer directly from the official GIMP website, not from a third-party source. A clean install can fix broken program files, damaged updates, or experimental versions that contain bugs or regressions. So to quickly recap, if you get a fatal error unhandled exception in GIMP, start with the easiest fixes first. Close the Patterns tab if the crash happens during copy or cut. Make sure the Foreground Select tool isn't being used with an empty selection. Reset your preferences by renaming the GIMP folder in AppData. Update your GPU drivers and check hardware acceleration settings. And if needed, perform a clean reinstall using the official version of GIMP. Hopefully this gets GIMP working again for you without the crashes. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.